It's a great question, very sophisticated question. I think you do see that political processes necessarily respond to immediate issues, so you get this short-term versus long-term challenge. I think that's why we think globally that a broad sense of partnership is critical, that you need to bring in civil society, and you need to promote the concepts I talked about in the panel, inclusiveness and transparency. If you have inclusiveness and you have a broad sense of civil society, you have transparency about what we're doing and what the impacts are, that gets you partway there. You have to have the tools in order to, as we discussed on the panel, in order to really measure and assess the impacts of actions. Because if you don't have that evidence base, then it's hard to say, well, here's the cost of this short-term decision. So we have to know what the cost is. Environmental impact assessments, cost-benefit analysis, cost-effectiveness analysis, there are a variety of tools that you can use. In the absence of a carbon market, I mean, people had hoped that a robust carbon market would provide a valuation on the carbon impacts or the environmental impacts of human activities. That doesn't really exist yet, but there are some tools we can use to do it. You have to bring that evidence to bear, an environment of inclusiveness and transparency, and it's that kind of information that'll put pressure to move towards decisions that or policy that's in long-term interests.